Hello. Auto rotate करा. Okay. Yes. आवाज है. Are you able to hear me? नहीं. Voice is low. ठीक है. Yeah, good. Yeah, we are able to hear you.
It's loud and clear.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Yeah. So many
Okay.
people have joined in. So
Yes.
50 people are watching. Yeah. Okay. So hi.
Okay. Hi everyone.
So how was your life in lockdown, Pallavi?
It was great, and at the same time, definitely burdened with little overwork from all the sides. You know, that never-ending work,
Oh,
and of
take it
course that
light.
a little bit of boredom. Yeah, but I
No,
think I
now you
guess.
have to take it light. Now we are on Insta. Come on, take it light. You already seem to be taking light, huh? You are looking very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Okay. So I think we must thank HHF to keep us all with that hope. All
Yes.
is well.
All is well in HSS. Yeah. And even
Yeah.
at this time, so many people are watching us. So
Yes,
that credit goes to HHS, right?
definitely. Hmm. Okay. So, but seriously, everybody needs that light, that hope, love, warmth. I mean, everybody
Yes.
needs it, isn't it?
Yes.
Everybody is
Yes.
looking for it.
Yes.
Okay.
And you know, now the life has started to be so stressful. You know, if you see, the people are getting so materialistic nowadays. So there is
Right,
a
right.
kind of morbidity in the situation. If you see, right?
Hmm. Agreed. Actually, if we see, nature has had really planned a very simple life for human beings. Just stress-free life, be one with nature, eat, enjoy, grow, and
Yes.
just be cool. But I think
Yeah.
we humans are endowed with our ego and super ego.
Yes.
So we want more and more comfortable life,
Yes.
isn't it? And I think that is somewhere which has led us to conflicts and a stressful life. What do you think?
Yeah, nowadays, people, in this COVID, people have actually realized the importance of relationships. People have learned to slow down because earlier, people were running after their jobs, their money, their daily travel. So now it is like getting more relaxed. People have understood the,
Yes, yes. So
and
that's
importance
hmm,
of quality of life, basically.
true. I think they're seeing life in a different light. It has really shown a different aspect of life altogether.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay. Along with it, now there is a lot of fear in the people. There is a lot of fear.
Hmm.
There is a lot of anxiety, seen in people who are going through a lot of
Yes.
stressful situation nowadays, and
Mm-hmm.
they are seeking for light,
Yes.
from people, from the government, so that their life can be better. They are seeking for assurance, for clarity, for hope. So that is how it
Absolutely.
is going. And
So they are absolutely confused. Yes.
and our topic of today's discussion, our rubric which we are going to take today, which is light desire. So it is a very appropriate rubric for this lockdown situation, I guess, because even we want light, and even we are giving light to, on this Instagram channel. We are going to take the rubric today.
True, true. I guess, this is how we, I think, can really explore this rubric morbid. Actually, everybody, as we said, needs light, but now the need is that desire is so much that it does become morbid. So
Yes.
as you rightly said, na, we have almost 33 remedies in this rubric, light desire for.
Yeah.
So friends, it has been a very interesting study about this rubric, and we realize that we can really categorize people because they ask for light in different ways. So we have one first group of remedies or personalities who are in that state where they are confused. They have that fear कि future में क्या रखा है, what is there in store for them, and that is
Yes.
where they want light, they want
Yes.
knowledge,
Yes.
right? So that group
This group of remedies has a lot of fear of dark, anxiety of dark, right? And they
Yes.
want assurance from the doctor, right? And they want clarity of thought. So these
Yes.
group of remedies are like, aconite,
Yes.
calcium, calcarea carb. There is phosphochloritis cineratus. There's stramonium. There's
Yes.
valeriana. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think when people are, some people, when they're asking for light, some people, they're trying to be light on their own by, not taking the burden. Best is you don't think in depth. Our well-known group of remedy in this is our belladonna. On some of our personalities are they will avoid responsibilities because responsibility, yeah, that means that burden of fulfilling and keeping up with the commitment comes up. So in this group, we have belladonna, then we have agaricus, sanicula. They want to be light, but in what form? Best is to avoid responsibilities.
Yes. And there
Okay.
is one more group, friends, which we are going to discuss. In this group, we have remedies who seek comfort, who seek guidance from us, and who seek light, company, and support. They want support from us, from the physician. So these group of remedies are bismuth, strontium carb, bambusa. Okay.
Yes, yes, very true. But even further, there are some people who are they still want more comfort, and in seeking, going behind those materialistic things in their ambition, they unknowingly they are going away from their own relations. And
Yes.
so they what they miss in life is that light also means warmth. As we say, na, sunlight gives brightness, it also gives that warmth. So it is the warmth, that love which people are missing. So from that aspect, we have a group of remedies who ask for light in terms of warmth, in terms of homely feeling. So we have remedies like ammonium mute, we have chocolate, carboanimalis, cola, radium bromide, and laccaninum.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
True, very true. And there are few category of remedies who seek a light in the form of, they want to be more amusement. These youngster kind of people, they want more amusement. They want more liberty. They want to be free
Yes.
totally. So this group of remedies also we are going to discuss. They are like Grindelia, they are like Spongia, Cannabis indica, Cannabis sativa. So this group of
Yes.
remedies also we are going to discuss.
Deal with. Yes. So it seems as if our Materia America has an answer and a solution for every person. They have everything on their platter to offer.
Yes.
Even for those personalities who are very ambitious, they are really powerful. यानी उन्होंने जिंदगी में सब कुछ अचीव कर लिया है,
The
मेरे पास
strong
गाड़ी
ones, the
है,
powerful
yes,
ones.
powerful ones, but even they land up in a state where सब कुछ है, but they cannot move, they are restricted, they are hindered, they are seized, they feel caged in, and in that phase also, in spite of being successful, they are asking for light. So these group of remedies, they are like our famous hindered ruta. Then we have that caged feeling lion, simicifuga, azarum, calibrom,
Natramute.
plumbum, natramute trap. So, and absolutely, because even the meaning of the word light, if you see in the synonyms, is agile. The meaning of the word agile will be a very smooth and a swift movement. And these are the people who are whose movement is not swift; it is obstructed.
Absolutely. And after human being is after all this materialistic thing, and there comes a phase in life, because see, life is about evolution. We start from the infant stage and we get mature slowly and slowly, and slowly we become wise, and then we start understanding the importance of few things, and then there comes a phase in a life where a person goes towards the phase of enlightenment. Okay, so
Absolutely.
he becomes enlightened, and then he understands, he becomes he gets in unification with the universe, he gets more spiritual. So we have
Yes.
such group of remedies also in this rubric, light desire for, which are like ignis alcoholis, halielactis leucophilis, iridium met, and
Yes.
spectrum. Okay, so
Right.
we are going to discuss these remedies also.
So I think it is that vicious circle of nature. We are again going back to nature for seeking
Yeah.
light from
Yes,
the universe.
absolutely.
Okay. So I think this is really going to be an interesting interaction. So
Yeah.
hope HHPians, you are also looking forward to
You are with us.
learning.
Yeah. HHFians are with us. I can see
Yes.
many people waving and giving thumbs up. Hi everyone. And first of all, I would like to thank sincerely all HHFians, to join us, our all seniors who have guided us in this path. And I would like to thank Dr. Pallavi Chaturvedi for starting this new initiative. This is very modern
Yes. Yes.
initiative of
Yes.
Instagram. Otherwise, हम लोग यहाँ ऐसे मिलते नहीं थे.
Right.
रात को 10
She is the
बजे.
true trailblazer, setting. She is
Yes.
the one who starts every initiative.
Yes.
Yes.
Hats off to her spirit, and hats off to Rao sir for giving us HHS. Chalo,
Yes.
we'll start with light desire.
Yes. Sure. So, friends, as we described, this is a small chart that I have made of all the remedies and the groups that we are going to be discussing.
Yes.
Okay. So, the first group, which we almost everybody is familiar with, aconite and gelsemium, the ones who want light, we will discuss it later. So let us start with the third group, where light in the form of love, warmth, and
Love
home.
and form. Yeah.
Yeah. So, yes, Meenakshi, would you like to throw some light on the first remedy?
Yeah. So this first group which we are going to discuss, it's very interesting. All these remedies, what they seek in their life is love, warmth, affection, relationships. They want this relationship in their life. So out of this first remedy which we are going to discuss is ammonium mule. And I hope if you people have seen my Thursday session which I had taken on HHF Field Facebook group. So in that I had discussed the ammonium group in a very elaborate way. So out of that,
Yes. Yes.
that's one remedy, ammonium mule. So ammonium, if you see, ammoniums are basically, the people with a lot of resentment is there, okay, in this ammonium group, okay. And if you see mure, means muriaticum, it is related
Yes.
to the element of mother. So in ammonium mule, there is a lot of resentment towards her mother. And if you have seen my cases and PPT, you will come to know. So that in that I had shown the video of, I had correlated ammonium mure with our very new movie, which is Shakuntala Devi movie, if you have seen. Or even if you have
Yes.
not seen, if you go and see on that Facebook group, you will see that in that video you will see. In that Vidya Balan's daughter, she is the character of ammonium mule. In that
Right.
she hates her mother, very much. And ammonium का basic क्या होता है ना? They are very idealistic. So उनका idea होता है, mother का idea होता है कि mother is a very ideal person, who will cook, who will take care of the kids. But contrastingly, her mother, in that movie, she is very ambitious. She is going around the whole world. So her image of this ideal mother is shattered. And if you see ammonium mure, it is in the rubric spineless. Okay. So what is
Yes.
spineless? Spineless matlab which does not have a vertebral column. So it is not literally like a vertebral. It is a metaphor. Okay. So what does this mean? What does the spine mean? Spine means on which you can stand. But these people are spineless. They don't have any spine. And they want a strong standing. Like, have you seen a climber or a creeper? It just climbs on a, what do you say, on a stick or a rod. It just
Right.
climbs on
Right.
it. It gives that support. So ammonium mure का वो जो strong ये है, we always look towards our mother in our family. So
Yes.
ammonium looks towards her mother, and she is that strong holding on which she can climb, she can grow. So that is her nurturing. That is her light in her life. So
Right.
she receives all the light from her mother, all the nurturing and support from her mother. तो
Hmm.
वहां से चीज करती है. जब उसको नहीं
Yes.
मिलता है, she doesn't get it, no, she goes into a lot of bitterness, resentment, hatred towards mother. So this is the journey of ammonium mule. And
Right.
if you
Right.
see, there is a very beautiful rubric in this remedy ki delusion sword hanging on the head. So what is this sword? So again, see, the thing which I like about this movie, that it is a biography. Okay, so somewhere the characters are very real, real to life. They are very connected to life. So in that movie, it is shown that Vidya Balan puts a case on her daughter. Okay, and after that case, her daughter will become totally broke and bankrupt, and she will just lose all her money, and she'll just come on the road. Matlab, itna she will become broke. So now that sword is hanging. Okay, so sword matlab something which is what's the word? In uncertain. That uncertainty is there. That sword will fall on my head, and anytime, everything
Yes.
will be gone. Everything will be over. So that uncertainty, that fear. So that is why, this ammonium has that inner, deep within, that fear is there of uncertainty. So that is why that sword hanging on the head. Fear of
Yes.
dark, okay, grief, and lot of bitterness.
Hmm.
And that is the light of ammonium, basically.
Ammonium mule. Yes, yes. That's a very, very interesting remedy, and we can really talk for hours on ammonium mule. I think everybody should really see Dr. Meenakshi's session, which she had taken on ammonium mule. That was very, very interesting. Now, on
Okay.
similar lines, since we are talking about this warmth and contact with mother, we have yet another very interesting remedy where this equation with the mother is little disturbed. So this remedy is chocolate.
Yes.
So chocolate is, they appear very much like phosphorus, very active. They want to be the center of our attraction. They are very affectionate, and they always are looking for contact, to make contact with people, to build a strong bond with people. And
Yes.
this strong bond, they are always missing in life. Why? Because this journey starts right from their childhood. Like you can say a situation where the mother is a working, ambitious mother. So after delivery, she nurtures and breastfeeds the child for, say, those 2-3 months very religiously. So the child is getting that warmth and care and that touch from the mother. But after 3 months, suddenly the mother decides to go to work and she stops feeding the child. So this sudden detachment and sudden separation, or that detachment from that warmth and care, makes the child feel very anxious and vulnerable. And with this anxiety, a sudden detachment, a strong relation, a strong bond can suddenly just get detached anytime. The child carries it throughout the life. So every time, even in future, in any of relationships, like even when they grow up, for example, you all know that chocolate is one of the best symbols for
Yeah,
the
on a
romantic
Valentine's
symbols,
Day,
Valentine Day
chocolate is given.
gifts. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So
They,
they also want, that is the kind of bond they want to form. Okay, so even if they're trying very hard to maintain that contact, somewhere inside that anxiety will always be there. And whenever this sort of a sudden detachment from a relationship occurs, then she will go into the state of panic. Then she starts worrying about the future. So now here she will come into all those rubrics of anxiety, anticipation from anxiety, future about, health about, and that is the phase where chocolate will definitely is seeking for light, that warmth from the relationship. There is a very nice rubric, of chocolate where it is like delusion, dreams stolen, dreams have been stolen. So imagine that she probably is dreaming of a very strong relationship with someone, that love, that care, and that dream itself is being taken away by someone. That sort of feeling and insecurity they carry.
I would like to say something in this.
Yeah.
There is a very famous personality, a princess, okay, with a short hair, who's a foreigner, who died in a car spin. I will not take her name.
Yeah.
So it said that she was a chocolate remedy, okay?
Hmm.
Because
Hmm.
this person, he exhausts himself in pleasing the opposite person, in seeking that love, that warmth from the
Yes.
opposite person, okay? And it is said that in her relationship, she couldn't get that warmth and love. And she will do all means to please that opposite person, but then
Hmm.
she ends up pleasing in seeking that love and warmth. Yeah, you go ahead.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So there's one core rubric which we can remember even about this remedy is that chocolate mein there is a rubric regarding that animal hedgehog. She feels that delusion she is a hedgehog. What is a hedgehog? No, that this animal is in a position to roll itself into a ball whenever there is a threat or there is a problem, and it shows both the sides. One is the soft side and one is the edgy sharp spine like side. Okay, so this is something, a feeling where his mother has shown the care and affection and suddenly shown her other side of just getting suddenly detached. So sometime whenever we do this remedy in detail, we can definitely throw light on the other rubrics also.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you'd like to add more?
No, I think that should be enough to
Yeah.
understand. Pick up chocolate. Yes.
Yeah. There is another a very similar remedy on the same lines, who
Hmm.
is really running after the love, warmth, and relationship. And that remedy is cola, the cola nut. Okay. So you must be very well aware that cola is a narcotic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And cola mein na, there are two phases. Okay. Since it is a narcotic, it has got two phases. One is of elation, and the other is it is a low phase, which is down. Okay. So in this
Hmm.
elated state, he feels that he is invincible. Nobody can conquer him. He's carrying all the world's responsibility on his shoulders. Okay.
Hmm.
So, but what is there in this cola? This cola, it belongs to a family which is a Malvaceae family. Okay. And cola is basically, this cola is related with connect and disconnect. Okay. So, and if you see, this remedy is majorly prescribed by homeopaths to remove the habit of alcohol drinking.
Drinking. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, Rao sir used to always tell us, why the person is going towards alcohol, why he feels like drinking alcohol, why is, he is becoming an alcoholic. उसके पीछे कोई reason है, वो find out करो, okay? So, why do people drink alcohol basically? There is this deep within, there is an insecure feeling. Okay, so in this remedy cola, there is deep within a insecure feeling. Okay, and he wants that safety, he wants that security. And what is this security he is looking for? He wants nurturance, he wants love,
Hmm.
he wants
Hmm.
connection. So this remedy is about connect and disconnect. Okay, so he is unable to connect. You can hear me, Pallavi?
Yeah. Yeah. Very clear. Very.
Okay.
Very clear. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So this remedy is about connect and disconnect. So he is unable to connect with his environment somewhere. Okay. So this nurturing is absent. He is unable to connect. And that is why he turns towards alcohol. And this remedy is beautifully very, it is also indicated in insatiable eating, excessive eating. Okay. This person has a rubric. There is a rubric, delusion hole in stomach which cannot be filled. मतलब वो इतना खाएगा, I had
Yes.
read about a case in which the patient used to eat voraciously, like a binge eating. He is not
Okay.
understanding why he is eating so much,
Hmm.
but he has a lot of appetite, and there is a hole in the stomach which cannot be filled. So why this thing is there? Because they are this nurturing they are missing. Okay. On the
Yes. Yes.
other hand, they are very overactive. That elated what I was telling. They are very overactive. They have lots of energy. You must have seen, these kids who go to school nowadays, they go very early. So सुबह
Hmm.
सुबह they don't have milk also, proper breakfast भी नहीं करते हैं.
Right.
In school also डब्बा खाया तो खाया, नहीं खाया तो they are not eating tiffin also. And till late
Absolutely.
afternoon they are absolutely, on very little food. But they have a lot of energy in their body. A lot of physical exertion they can
Hmm.
do without.
Hmm.
So this is the elation, this is the hyperactivity and restlessness of Paula which is there. And then
Yes.
this theme is there, the insatiability is the strong theme of Paula. And there is also no exaggerated ideas about the ability. And there was one sentence written about the remedy: patient who compensate emotional needs with food, alcohol, or drugs. So they can
Yes.
go towards drugs also. So these
Yes.
youngsters who turn towards alcohol or drugs, you know, so in this basic, अंदर वो एक vacuum है, उसको वो भर रहे
Right.
हैं, this nurturing, this
Yes.
love. So like chocolate, अपना Amul Spoon, they are also seeking love from the environment. Okay.
Absolutely. You rightly said, Rao sir also used to tell us that the environment at home is the most important, that bonding with the family members. Because if you don't get that love at home, then the person always goes outside to seek for it. Right.
To seek pleasure in other things.
In other things, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So yet another remedy from the same group. Okay, this is also very interesting remedy. Till now, what we have seen, the connect was problem was with the mother. Then we have seen with the family, and now another remedy, Carbo Animalis, belongs to the same group, and they also have this intense connect to their family. For them, family is the most secure thing, and they always want to be with their family together. I'll explain this with a short case. Okay, there was a old lady, and she used to keep complaining of exhaustion all the time. Especially said, once I get up in the morning, I am just totally tired, exhausted. I don't want to do anything, and her mood is also low. She said, whenever I sit even on the breakfast table, it's only me and my husband, and I don't feel like having it, and I just go back to the old memories. So I said, what old memories? She said, actually, earlier now we used to stay in a row house nearby, and there, me, my husband, my children, my son, my daughter-in-law, grandchildren, everybody, we used to be together, and we used to really have a very good bond. We used to share that bond. We used to eat together, enjoy every moment. So every day when I'm at the breakfast table, I remember all those things. But unfortunately, they got divorced, and my son, he migrated abroad for his job. So only two of us were left now, me and my husband. So we sold it off, and then now we shifted to a very smaller house. But every day I feel like going back to that place. Every day I feel like having my home back with my entire family. So this is the homesickness of Carbo Animalis. They are also missing that warmth, and they are seeking for that light in this form.
Yes.
So we have a few rubrics of Carbo Animalis: homesickness, morning; anger, morning, waking on; anxiety, morning, rising after; then even sadness, waking on; forsaken feeling, nostalgia. This is amongst there are only three remedies which always think about the good things or good memories. Actually, when we are in a low mood and we are feeling sad, usually what comes to our mind are all the bad incidences that happen.
Yes.
But there are three remedies which always dwell on the past happy moments. So one of them is Carbo Animalis, and the other two are Saccharum and Carcinosum.
Wow.
Okay. So that intensity of homesickness we can see in Carbo Animalis, because she really feels so deserted that there is a rubric. Yeah, delusion. Yeah, delusion town. He is in a deserted town, and just because her family is not together, she feels as if the entire town is deserted, and she is living in that.
Yes.
So this is the beauty of Carbo Animalis.
This is mostly indicated in people who are away from home, like who are staying in a
Yes.
hostel, who are abroad,
Right.
away, broken away from the home.
Yeah.
A newly married woman. सब लोग ये homesick जा
Yes,
सकते
or even students who have always been with the parents, and then for study purpose suddenly they have to go and stay over in a hostel. That time also we can use it.
Yes.
Okay.
It was very beautifully taken in our seminar, April seminar,
Yes.
by Dr. Sarang. Very beautifully he explored
Yes,
the concept.
that is why we should not miss any of the HHS seminars.
Absolutely, we shouldn't miss any seminars. Not even that field wala, they are also very nice.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
And अभी और एक आने वाला है अपना academy का, right?
Yes. So I hope everybody who's enrolling.
Seminars which are coming, CC ने सब डाला है, please register for those seminars also. Those academy sessions are coming, okay? Yeah, so
Yes.
in this love, warmth and affection, another, very beautiful remedy is there, which is radium brome. No, I was very surprised after reading this radium bromatum, because after coming to SHF only, I realized, this remedy which, homeopaths are normally giving on physical, like radium brome, if you see, it is for the radiation hazard, like radiation burns होते हैं, या excess radiation से कुछ problems होते हैं, कुछ non healing ulcers होते हैं. For that, radium bromatum is prescribed. But now, after reading this remedy, I have come to know that it has got a very beautiful layer in it, which is, where he is seeking love and warmth from people. Okay. And this remedy is considered as a chronic of Rastox. So Rastox में कैसे pains होते हैं, which are better by motion. सुबह उठते ही pain होता है, then they are better by motion. So this remedy also has the similar modalities. After walking, they are better.
They're better. Better by hot bath, yeah. Better by warm bath, hot bath.
But in the emotional sphere, I was very surprised when I read this remedy. This remedy has ailments, anger from neglected. Okay. This remedy has forsaken feeling. Okay. And this remedy has the rubric delusion repudiated he is by the relative. Delusion valued he is not. Okay. So this is very interesting. And if you see, now we are living in the world of radiation. This is the 21st century. This is the century in which we are totally surrounded by gadgets. There are mobile radiations. There are so many radiations going around us. Gadgets, mobiles. So many people get investigated so many times. It's an investigation. So there are so many radiations. So this world is excess of radiation. And in this world, now we are moving away from the joint family, from the nuclear family. Now people are going solo. They are staying alone. They are like cutting off from the other people. They are just going alone.
Yeah.
So these people, they have this forsaken feeling. Now, if you see the youth of today, how they behave. They want to be aloof, but at the same time, they want to be valued. They will feel, no one is there for me. Nobody understands me, nobody values me, So that kind of a thing he has. People are rejecting him, nobody loves. Then there is one sentence which was there in the Materia Medica. They feel that nobody is there for me. At the same time, they have fear of alone. They have fear of dark, fear of alone. That apprehension is there. And there is one more, another angle in which there is mocking sarcasm. With company aversion, which alternates. मतलब एक बार वो mocking करेगा, sarcasm मतलब लोगों को हटाएगा अपने से, और दूसरे तरफ company aversion है उसको. And he wants to be quiet, he wants to be in his own world, like how today's youngsters, they want to be in their own zone, in their own space. That thing is there. So, there is deep within absolute loneliness. तो अंदर उनको ना बहुत lonely लगता है, बहुत they are feeling very lonely inside. And what is the light of this remedy, radium brome? It's this helplessness feeling, and is where they want that somebody should understand me, somebody should be there for me. So that is why nowadays people are into very quick relationships. They want some love in their life. They are making girlfriends, so they want somebody for them. So because they feel that nobody is there for me, and that is their life. That is what they are seeking from the surroundings, that love, warmth, and which is lacking, and then they land into this. And of course, if we see the radiation hazard, because they are totally on their gadgets full time, so radiation उनको तो maximum मिलता है. So it's a very simple remedy.
Really. Yes, I think people can really try using this remedy in their clinics so that we can pull in more knowledge about its clinical application. So in the same group of
later these people go into fear of attack. They become, that paranoia state is there, where they feel that they are fear of attack, fear of danger, fear of fire, loneliness. So that paranoia state is also there in this remedy, radium bromatum.
Yes.
Very nice.
Oh, very nice one. Okay. And again in this remedies group where we need that warmth and love, we have one more remedy which we should never forget is laccaninum, right? So this is the milk of the bitch or the female dog. And as you know, what have human beings done? Like we have domesticated the dogs, or we have taught them, we have controlled them and taught them to behave in a civilized manner. right?
Yes.
Now just imagine a individual who has this feeling of lac caninum, how she must be thinking, how what she must be going through. Many a times we say this is a remedy for the adopted children. Why? Because they know that I am totally dependent on them.
Outsider, yeah.
Yes, I'm an outsider, and if I have to survive, I have to please my master. The way a dog pleases his master, is very obedient to his master, very faithful to the master. Same way, these individuals have a feeling that I have something less in me. Huh? I am poor in something, and I do. They don't feel that they have. I'm worthy enough to ask or stand up for my own demands.
Yes.
So that rubric, that their confidence, want of self confidence with self depreciation. Self depreciation means the value in their own eyes about them or their own self is very very low. And that is why they are never able to stand up for themselves. So this feeling of inferiority complex, that is within me, there's something less in me. That is why I deserve, even if people are abusing me, they're just using me for getting their work done. Everything they just keep accepting and keep doing their duties. I'll give you share a short case.
They don't try to come out of it. You know, they are kind of
Yes.
accepting the situation. जो abuse
Yes.
हो रहा है उसको वो accept करते हैं. You know, like a dog who is accepting
Yes,
his
yes.
master's beating. तो वैसे
Right.
वो सब बीच में अपने पे लेते हैं. And there's also
Yes.
that dirty feeling in them.
They feel dirty about themselves. In this, very important factor is that they do have anger inside. They do understand that there is injustice and they're angry about it, but they are not expressive about it.
Yes.
There is a very nice rubric that they have. There is, delusion monsters sees in light and vision. So imagine कि monster means darinda. So their environment is such कि दरिंदे है and वो मुझे torture कर रहे हैं. Okay, but I have to still be obedient and faithful and do my duty. I'll share an example, a case. This lady, she had come with lot of skin issues, and her story was that she was married at a very young age in village, 18, and she hadn't completed her studies. And after marriage, her in-laws refused to allow her to continue with her studies. Her husband was well educated. They shifted to a city, and then it was decided, obviously, that she will be taking care of her in-laws, children, and the house, and he will be outside handling the business. And gradually, he really moved very well in life, in the corporate world. And this lady was always at home. Okay, and she was being literally treated like a maid servant at home. But she continued doing it, thinking that, okay, this is my duty, I have to do it. And one fine day, she got to know that her husband has an extramarital affair, and that lady is a very well-educated from the corporate world. And then her husband asked for a divorce. But this lady did not fight for herself. She did not, because she said, मैं उनके लायक ही नहीं हूँ, because I am not educated, I can't speak in English, I can't. He feels ashamed to take me out with amongst his corporate people for gatherings. So he just made a deal with her. Okay, you stay with my parents and kids. I'll be taking care, and I'll just move out of the house with the other lady. So that, imagine, she definitely must be feeling angry from within, but from outside she continued her duty, and she even gave the divorce. But she suffered. She suffered because of that suppressed anger. So we have these few rubrics, like ailments from say abused being. Then we have ailments, warmth and security at home, lack of children in. Then delusion, despised he is. Delusion, dirty he is. Delusion, worthless he is, no value. And and from this stage, now this lady, when she came, now she only had skin issues, right? But now this lac caninum, in that state of darkness, they feel that I have an incurable disease. Okay. Now, the disease is not incurable. Try and understand. Actually, it is her thought process that my life state is incurable. I am totally in a situation, I am not confident enough to come out, nor do I feel I deserve this kind of a life. Right. So, the life state itself is incurable. And from this incurable state, she is seeking for light. So, that is the light desire of lac caninum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, there's one more rubric. Delusion knows someone else's nose.
Yes,
and
yes.
body ugly. So they feel, there was one case in which that lady was saying, my nose, I don't like my nose. My nose is something odd. So, they kind of feel that nose is वो ugliness, वो dirtiness, खुद में भी उनको वो सब कमियां दिखती हैं, they find
Right. Yes,
in
yes.
themselves. They are not happy with how they look or how they are.
Right, right. Yes. So I think with this we come to the end of this group of remedies who are seeking light in the form of warmth and love.
Yes.
Now, I think we can now move on to the next
The
group.
next group of remedies. Now, the next group of remedies is which seek support, okay, from the environment. They want support. They want somebody to hold them. They want somebody to show them the path, the light, okay. So these group of remedies are bismuth, strontium carb, and bambusa, okay. So
Yeah.
we will be looking in these remedies.
Okay. So now let's see the first remedy in this group is say bismuth. It's a very beautiful remedy. We have, I think, even a separate issue about it. At length, this remedy has been, given due importance in this. So we'll start with the case. Now, bismuth, this lady, she used to complain of a lot of acidity, gas, uneasiness, and the typical Indian ladies complain, घबराहट होती है. That anxiety, palpitations. So she said कि सुबह से ये चालू हो जाता है. And the whole day she is uneasy, she feels scared, she feels क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है मुझे. And when did these complaints start? So she said these complaints have started in the last just 2-3 years. Earlier they were staying in Pune, and over there they had a big joint family, they had friends, neighbors. So there she never had any complaints. Now when they shifted here, only 3 of them stay, her son, her husband, and this lady, and both son and husband, they go out for work. So the whole day she's alone here. But she has been here in this town since last 2 to 3 years, but still she has not been able to form a connect, make friends, new friends, or with neighbors. She doesn't have a group to mix up with. So she said that all this goes on in her head in this daytime. And as soon as it is evening time, all her complaints subside on its own. Because by evening, her son and her husband is back home. So this was the case. Now from this, we have to understand what exactly bismuth wants. So bismuth wants the company of her own people. Okay, she's not like the remedies like phosphorus hai, jo easily diffuse hote hai, they'll make new friends. They will, form their own world again. Wherever they go, they will form their own world. So these people want the company of their own people, and company desire for hold his hand too. Now, just focus on the rubrics of bismuth, which says holding mother's hands, child constantly holding. In complete repertory also, there is a very nice rubric of bismuth, which says fear alone of being, light and company wants. What we have to see is the difference between holding and clinging. For example, everybody knows our favorite remedy, stramonium, gelsemium. They cling to the other person out of fear. But in clinging, what happens is the person to whom I'm clinging gets finally irritated and frustrated. कि ये क्या है, पीछे ही नहीं छूटता इससे, right? But here what bismuth wants is just be there, give me company, just hold me. And how should the individual hold? It's like a mother, because mother knows that in what position if I hold the child is going to be comfortable. So that is all what bismuth wants. Just give them company. So that is the light of bismuth. Yeah.
This remedy was again taken very beautifully by Dr. Sunil Godke at our seminar.
Yes.
Yeah. Bismuth, very nice. Okay. So the next remedy in this group is a strontium carb. Again, it was very beautifully explored by Dr. Mayur. It is there on our HHF Field Facebook page. You can just go to 14th May and see strontium carb in detail. Okay, it is 1 hour full video you can see of strontium carb. But I will decipher few rubrics. I will just explain you in short. Strontium carb. Strontium carb का light desire क्या है? What is the light desire of strontium carb? This strontium carb wants guidance. Okay, that is his light. Okay, so in that Dr. Mayur, he had shared a case in which that lady, उसका boss, her boss changes. Okay, she gets a new boss. So she came and told Dr. Mayur, my boss has changed. So sir ने पूछा कि क्या problem? So she told कि my boss has changed. So he was like कि what happened then? So she said कि no. So that earlier boss, he used to understand me very well, and he used to guide me. You know, he used to tell me, okay, you do this way. So I knew
Yes.
what is to be done, how it is to be done. So that guidance, that is the light of strontium carb. And why they need such a guidance? Because this strontium carb, this remedy is in responsibility, taking responsibility too seriously. He is very ardent. He wants his job to be done in a very nice manner, in a very perfect manner. और उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? He needs to know which is the right method or which is the right path. तो वो एक पीछे एक उसको hand चाहिए. तो इससे और एक रूब्रिक है delusion hand behind it. तो ये hand क्या होता है ना, like आशीर्वाद देते हैं कि like मराठी में भिऊ नको मी तुझ्या पाठीशी आहे. So this hand is there in behind us. So what this hand signifies? This hand signifies the guidance. और guidance हम लोग किससे लेते हैं? Who is वाइज, यू नो, किसी भी एरे गहरे नथु केरे से हम लोग गाइडेंस या विजडम नहीं लेंगे. तो जिसको बहुत नॉलेज है, यू नो, जिसको पता है, जो एक गुरु है. तो पीपल नाउडेज इफ यू सी, दे गो आफ्टर द स्पिरिचुअल गुरुज, यू नो, on the spiritual path. They seek some spiritual guru because they feel that guru can guide him. Why? Because that guru is wise. He is having more knowledge than us, so he can just put us on the right path, right? Yes, and they also have this, one more rubric: desire friend of a friend faithful. Okay, why the friend faithful? See, if we see after our family, which is the best relationship in our life, that is of a friend. Okay, so friend is the one with whom we can share everything of our life. And faithful friend, faithful why? Because आँख बंद करके he can believe that friend. अगर friend ने बोला कि तू ये कर, so he knows that this friend will not guide me in a wrong way. So that faith is there, that guidance, that what do you say, pure guidance he is getting. So that is that he wants. Okay, and yeah.
That means that complete trust has to be there in that person who is going to guide.
Yes,
right.
Yes, absolutely. People have put rubrics, faithful friend.
Yeah, dream saint of. This is also the rubric. Yeah.
Yes. So this is how strontium carb is.
Yeah.
Pure new enterprise. Yeah. न्यू एंटरप्राइज क्यों? क्योंकि न्यू एंटरप्राइज लेगा तो उसको पता होना चाहिए ना कि क्या लेना है, कैसे करना है. तो इसलिए वो न्यू एंटरप्राइज लेने में भी डरता है, बिकॉज ही नीड्स गाइडेंस चाहिए. एंड एचएचएफ में गाइडेंस की कमी नहीं है. एचएचएफ में बहुत लाइट है और हैंड है सर पे. एवरीबडी हैज द सीनियर्स हैंड ऑन, यू नो, बिहाइंड अस टू गाइड अस, टू एनकरेज अस. HHF doesn't need strontium carb.
Yes. The HHF is totally showered with light, sunlight, bright light from everywhere.
Yes.
Okay. So now we have another remedy, our most favorite Bambuza in this support group. I think just a few weeks back, this Bambuza was taken in our Thursday sessions. I think Thursday on Facebook. Beautifully explored remedy. Okay, so for a very, very detailed study of Bambuza, everybody must listen to that Thursday session. Okay, so we'll just focus on this part, that where Bambuza needs and why he needs the light. So as you know that Bambuza is completely hollow from within. So the first and foremost thing in Bambuza is delusion poor he is. Andar se khokla hai. Now this person, it is there in responsibility, taking seriously. They definitely want to take responsibility, care for their family, everything. But they gradually they lose that interest. They lose that. They're always tired. You know, born tired. That is a rubric. They say that they feel delusion as if they're born tired. So the common complaint of Bambuza will be that they're always weak, and you can see that despair, hopelessness on the face. And many times that is why we feel कि she's like sepia, you know, tired, exhausted, काम कर करके थक गई है. लेकिन Bambuza is already weak. It is also there in the rubric ennui, boredom, laziness. So all this is there in Bambuza. They don't have that strength from within. And because of this, they have lost the zest, that energy, they are tired, and they're this, whenever they are tired and exhausted, then they develop that aversion to everything, aversion husband to, even caring aversion to care for others, even for their children. They are the ladies are not willingly doing it. For
Yes.
example,
There's a
I
lot of
had,
frustration in housewives.
yes,
Comments
it is
आ रहे हैं
very good
अच्छा.
remedy. Yes,
Can
yes.
do ही laziness with comments आ रहे हैं. Very nice.
Hmm.
Beautiful.
Yes. So, and a very common example is a lady doing, taking care of the child, also family and working. There is Bambuza definitely is in this rubric of anxiety, money matters about, anxiety, future about. So they are trying to do the multitasking and they're tired and exhausted. And then they finally go to a state they feel that everything is controlled by destiny. And then in this state, they feel helpless, they are not able to do, they are very irritable. They want that support कि मुझे कोई help करे, support करे ये सब. So that is a kind of light in the form of support which Bambuza wants. So this, I think, remedy will frequently will be seen in our clinics, especially tired housewives. We have that rubric also directly.
Yes.
So
Now the next group of remedies we will go to, they are the fearful group of remedies. They want knowledge, they want clarity, they want hope. So that is what they are seeking. They are very fearful. They are after the physician. The physician will have a tough time handling these people. Okay. So these group
absolutely.
of remedies are stramonium, valeriana, calcarea carb, phascochloratus cineretis, gelsemium, aconite. Okay.
Yes. So I think we'll start with the most favorite remedy, stramonium.
Yes.
Everybody knows stramonium in and out. So just a short case to understand the light of stramonium. How will they present in the clinic? So there's this patient who came in my clinic and he said, "Oh, I had my throat pain since 3 to 4 days. I thought, okay, change of weather, it ठीक हो जाएगा. And today morning, suddenly I felt I just can't even swallow water. Immediately, I went to my neighbor and I told her, I came to you, doctor. Okay. So, what exactly is happening? Do I need to do investigations? You tell me, I will go even to the top ENT specialist in our city. Okay. So, this is Stramonium asking for light, who initially was frivolous and affectation is in his the way he speaks. Then suddenly he realized that there is a problem. He's astonished. He thought, oh, this is something strange. So, fear of strangers, and now he clings to the people. He's terrified to the near one. So actually his neighbor is not going to help him come out of his throat issue, but still he went and took help from her. And then they come to the doctor, they are clinging to the doctor and desire to be carried over the shoulder. That means they are putting the entire responsibility of curing them or taking them out of that problem on the shoulders of the doctor. And how stramonium will ask for help, right? So delirium, arms extend, godi mein hi le lo, pura ka pura, right? Your delirium crying help for. So that is the kind of feel the physician will have when the stramonium is talking to him. So I think that should be enough for stramonium. Everybody is master in this remedy.
हॉलमार्क है उसकी वो एस्टोनिश वाली आंखें. मैं
Yes.
सिविल की, अरे डॉक्टर साहब ब्लड आया फर्स्ट टाइम, पहले मुझे ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ. So that astonish, those wide eyes are the hallmark of stramonium. There he is terrified, petrified. Yeah.
Even if in words he is saying showing that affectation, in his eyes you can catch the fear. Yes.
On the same lines, there is one more remedy which will give you a very tough time, and that remedy is again valeriana. It is a new remedy for us, but it has been explored in HHF in 2012 by Dr. Sunil Gorke. Okay, and it is also a very nice remedy, and it is in parallel with stramonium. Okay, and valeriana, if you see, this remedy is very typically prescribed for insomnia. Lack of sleep, insomnia. And this remedy is a very hysterical remedy. Okay, and there is insomnia during pregnancy. So this is where this remedy is prescribed. And this remedy has a lot of anger in it. So there is a rubric in which there is, the rubric is anger, milk of mother, vomit from anger of mother. So जो बच्चा है, he will vomit because the mother is so angry that the child will vomit. so much anger is there. So it is single in that rubric, this remedy. ओके एंड बेसिकली ये रेमेडी का जर्नी स्टार्ट होता है थॉट एरोनियस से. So this remedy has got thought erroneous. He will feel that there is some problem in my body, there is something is happening. Dr. Sunil Godke had shown that case in that patient, he did the blood report 3 times, in a single day. So that much is the light desire of Valeriana. He just wants to know what is wrong. He feels there is something erroneous happening. Erroneous क्या होता है? Error क्या होता है? जैसे कि टाइपराइटर में एक एरर होता है, if you are pressing the P वाला की, M will get typed. तो वो एरर चलता रहेगा, कितना भी टाइप करो, it will type in that manner. Weighing scale में एक एरर होता है, so it will show, continuously keep you showing the wrong weight. So that is the error which is there in the mind. So they always have a fear that they will have some incurable disease impending. So this irrational fear is there in Valeriana. Then they have delusion, danger, impression of danger. Okay, and
Yes.
they're very restless, very hypochondriacal and hysterical. This Valeriana will drive the doctor crazy with his questions. Okay, with his
Yes.
hysteria and paranoia he is having. He has and also with Stramonium it has common that Stramonium में वो strange है ना, Stramonium को वो familiar
Yes.
अच्छा लगता है, strange से उसको डर है, तो इसको भी वो है delusion, strange everything is. Okay, delusion, strange familiar things seen, delusion, strange objects seen. Okay, ये उसको है, बहुत सारा restlessness है, strange light desire है, delusion poor. और एक rubric है, he feels delusion sick. He feels that I am sick. There is something wrong with
Some
me,
problem
and he
going on.
just
Yes.
wants to know what is wrong, and he is after the doctor. He is doing investigations, what not.
Absolutely. There's this personality of Valerian. It is also under the rubric emotions predominated by the intellect. So before he goes into this hysterical state, now they are the people who will actually look towards everything in life from the intellectual side. They will try to reason out. They will have their own thought process, and that is why then later on they go into that state of erroneous thoughts. Okay, but what impact this attribute of Valerian has on his IPR, his relatives, everybody, they start feeling कि ये बंदा कभी emotionally सोच ही नहीं सकता to begin with, because his intellect is predominating, and there will be some rigid ideas in his mind. He wants to live life or follow certain lifestyle in that way. So that is why people start going away from him, and then he starts feeling alone, lonely. जब बंदा lonely अकेला रहता है ना, that is the time always these fears, anxieties, मुझे कुछ हुआ है, अकेला हूँ, then everything starts. We should be using this remedy more frequently, I guess.
Actually, yes.
Stramonium के साथ हमेशा वेलेरियन को याद
करना चाहिए. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now so Stramonium has driven the doctor mad. Then Valerian ने और कर दिया है. And there is this third remedy of ours, who seeks light deliriously.
Yes.
Okay. So who seeks light deliriously? Our most favorite, Calcarea carp.
Calcarea.
Yes. So how will a Calcarea carp? This also remedy we know in and out. They are the most exclusive ones. And what is the wealth of Calcarea carp? So it is their ability to do lots and lots of work. So busy fruitlessly. Okay. So a small case which will just show this aspect of light desire for deliriously. So there is this person whose BP keeps fluctuating, and he keeps taking his blood pressure every now and then. He will come to me, he will check his blood pressure, he will go to allopathic doctor, there also he will check. At home he has an electronic BP machine, there also he checks. Then his neighbor has that girl is doing medicine. So from her also he gets a check, he keeps a record. And then he will come with all the readings and say, see, morning mein ye Okay. Sorry, I got disconnected. Okay. So, hello, Parth.
Can you hear me? Yeah. You're fine? You can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay.
Parth,
You continue.
okay. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay. Sorry. So we were just talking about this.
I can't see your face.
Uh, yes. एक
Camera
minute.
बंद ही करो.
Can you see it now?
Yes,
Nine.
yes, perfect, perfect, perfect.
But I am not able to see myself. Hey,
I can see you. We can see you and hear you.
okay, fine. So this Calcarea calf patient, na, he used to keep checking his blood pressure from different people, and then keep thinking, why every time it is a different reading? What will happen? And then he will say, see, one of my relatives, he used to have high blood pressure, and one fine day suddenly he had a brain hemorrhage, and he expired. Okay. So he's like, nahi, so I take good care of myself. Whenever I have this gas, the headache starts. But then again, I don't know whether the headache is because of gas or because of his high BP. See, I cannot afford to, I don't want to get admitted in the hospital. All my projects are lined up, very important meetings. Huh? So this is how he will keep seek light deliriously. He will read books, various medical books. He'll go on internet, read about it, ask people.
Yes,
Then horrible sad stories
yes, horrible and sad
affect him
stories
profoundly.
profoundly, yes.
Yes. So
Prick of the needle.
hmm.
Startle at the prick of needle, right?
Yes,
Okay.
and this is because Kalkera calf is does not have that strength, real strength within to face any challenge. He has that fear of suffering, and this is all because of excessive parental protection.
Yes.
Yeah,
This is the
voice
theme
echo.
of calcaria. यहाँ से
Yes,
कैल्केरिया का शुरुआत होता है. इसका ailments है from parental protection excessive. These are the kids who are pampered so much by their parents that
right.
they are just not able to do anything on their own. So much of protection because उनके parents उनको कभी कुछ करने ही नहीं देते. So much protection is there totally. So this on the similar lines, of parental protection, of excessive protection, these people are staying in the shell, kind of a shell, a protected environment. So on the similar lines, we have another good remedy, which is Phascocoloritis cineratus. Okay, so this is a new remedy, and actually I was reading about this remedy, and this is actually an animal remedy. It's a koala. Okay.
Meenakshi, I think your voice is low.
Yeah. Can you hear me? Pallavi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a koala, and koala. You must have seen the pictures of koala. He's always on the tree, cuddling that cute koala. Okay. Pallavi, just थोड़ा सा तेरा face दिखने दे, थोड़ा नीचे कर कैमरा.
No, actually there's some problem. My voice is also echoing.
No, now I can hear you perfectly fine.
हो
Okay.
काय I think दोनदा उघडलंय. You just continue.
Yeah. So this koala, you must have seen this sitting on a tree, that picture. So they are very cute, and the very interesting thing is, 80% of their life they spend in sleeping. These koalas. So they 80% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the 20% of the life they are. 20% of the life they are spending sleeping, and the rest of the rest 20% life they are spending eating. Okay, and 1% of the life they can move. So 80% sleeping, 20% they are eating, and 1% they are moving. Okay, so खाओ पियो और सो, जैसे you said, खाओ पियो सो, मजे करो, जो हम लोग अभी कोविड में कर रहे हैं ना, लॉकडाउन में, खाओ पियो सो. That is what the koala does. And this Fasco, this remedy, they are very naive, they are very simple, they are very primitive. Primitive means they are in a very early development. Okay, and इनका लाइट क्या है, you know, they are staying in a very protected environment. Okay, and they have total dependence, they are unable to do anything on their own. They are total dependence, they need a protection like a womb. Okay, so this is what they need. So, and they always feel, always have this fear of being trapped, that somebody will held them hostage. Like ये animal remedy है, तो obviously they must be captured, koalas को पकड़ते होंगे, capture करते होंगे. So they have this unsafe feeling, fear of being trapped, fear, you know, they feel that they are vulnerable, somebody will take them. So what is their defense? Their defense is hiding. They will just go in hiding, or they will just shut off. So in human beings also, in patients also, you will see this, that they are shut off, you know, or they just need a total protection. You know, somebody should protect them, somebody should take care of them. So they will say that, you know, I cannot make any decisions, I cannot do anything on my own, I need someone. You know, this kind of a low self esteem they have. And they are very drugged, sleepy, they are 80% sleeping persons. So they are living in a dream world, and they are just, what is the light of this cute koala is shutting off, or seek someone to protect. So you know, these youngsters, if you see, so they will shut off, and or they will seek protection. You know, koi meri care lo, like a womb, like a baby is taken care. That is what they want. So this is how this cute koala remedy is. I really like this remedy actually.
Nice. Okay. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, absolutely. You can go ahead with next remedy.
Okay. So now we come to the last two remedies. Our favorite, Gelsemium and Aconite. I think my voice is echoing.
No, I can hear you properly. You just go ahead.
Otherwise, you take it. Audience is saying that the voice is echoing.
Okay.
Yeah, can you take both the remedies, Gels and Aconite?
Yeah, you just be there. Okay.
Yeah.
So Gelsemium क्या है? Gelsemium has ailments from anticipation. Okay. Fear of ordeal, embarrassment, that is there in Gelsemium. So Gelsemium को that main complaint, even my voice is echoing. Hello? You can hear me?
Hello.
I can hear you.
No, my voice is echoing, I'm asking. My voice?
No.
It's fine, no? Yeah, okay. So just wear headphones, it will be fine. Whoever are hearing echo, headphone पहन के सुनो, it will be fine. Okay? Yeah. So they have ailments from anticipation. And they always want some strong, you know, they are always clinging to persons and furniture. So furniture क्या होता है? Furniture is something strong which we can hold. You know, उसको उस पे भरोसा है कि furniture will hold me. If you are falling, you will always hold on to some furniture. So that strong thing is there. So no sir, Rao sir, he used to say कि अगर आपके पास Gelsemium patient आता है clinic में, and if the physician is not able to give him light, you know, Gelsemium wants light, desire, positive. So what is this positive light? You know, he will feel, no, he will come in a panic state to you कि doctor आज, you know, if he is having piles, he will say आज, you know, stool में I pass blood, so you know this blood is there, you know, I just can't so he wants this positive light, he wants the physician to take, no, I will take care, you know, you don't worry, this strong positive light of the physician he wants, that वो भरोसा होना चाहिए कि हाँ ये फिजिशियन मुझे ठीक करेगा, तो वो पॉजिटिव लाइट उसको उस फिजिशियन से चाहिए, दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट, दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लिंगिंग. Okay, and this remedy is also in self control, fear of self control losing. hence they will want to control. Okay, and they are also in disturb averse too. They feel that they are getting fear of disturb. So one case Dr. Nikhil had shown in a Thursday session, in that that lady was having some problem. I guess she had vertigo, so she was just sitting like this, and she was not even moving. And this small girl was there, and she didn't even move the whole night. She was just sitting like that. She didn't even move. Just she was sitting like this, controlling herself. So because this remedy has the feeling of losing self-control. She just doesn't want to be disturbed. She just want to grab her whole self and stay in that control. So this thing is there in Gelsemium. You can hear me,
Yes,
Pallavi?
yes, you're very clear. You're very clear.
Yeah, okay. I think you are also clear.
No, my voice is echoing.
Okay. So the next remedy in this group of fear remedies is aconite. Aconite का क्या है? Aconite में ना there is a lot of fright is there. तो aconite हम लोग फर्स्ट ईयर में कैसे पढ़ते थे? Tension is the keynote of aconite. तो aconite को ना बहुत टेंशन होता है. He is just mad with fear. उसको लगता है death presentiment. अभी I will die. Now something will happen and I will die. This is what he feels. And this a lot of fright is there. And aconite का light क्या है? Aconite को क्या चाहिए? Aconite wants the doctor to carry him, or the person whom he trusts to carry him and caress him. This caressing is what aconite wants. Somebody should caress him. Okay, and the physician को वो आके बोलेगा कि this thing is there. I am having this problem. अगर ये कैंसर तो नहीं होगा ना डॉक्टर? This is not cancer ना? तो the doctor will say no, don't worry, it's not cancer ray, it's normal, it will get okay. So this assurance from the physician, he will immediately get carried, because ना ये hopeful भी होता है, underlying there is a hope, because he wants the hope from the doctor, that assurance from the doctor. Easily he will get carried and he will go into sheep driving. So sheep driving is what? Sheep driving means ठीक है, now I will be fine. This is the feeling of sheep driving. So this is how aconite is.
Okay.
We have come to the end of our session. भेड़ चाल, right? और वो anxiety cold drink. So this assurance is actually the cold drink for the aconite. Yes, Pankaj, Dr. Pankaj, cold drink ameliorate. तो कोल्ड ड्रिंक क्या है ना, ये एश्योरेंस, ये जो कैरेसिंग है वो उसको अच्छा लगता है. दैट इज द कोल्ड ड्रिंक व्हिच ही फील्स. Pallavi, you share the chart. Some people are asking for the chart. Just show it on your screen. Just hold it.
Are you able to see?
हाँ. You are perfectly audible to me. I don't know why people are saying echo. तू खाली वो चार्ट दिखा दे एक बार. तेरा चार्ट दिखा दे.
हाँ. Yes, I'm just flipping the camera.
थोड़ा पीछे ले. पूरा दिख नहीं रहा है.
अभी.
हाँ. थोड़ा जूम कर. Okay. We will just put a snapshot on Instagram. ये चार्ट का ना हम लोग snapshot डाल देंगे. Okay. Pallavi, we'll just put a snapshot.
Okay. Yes.
So this is the whole group of our 3 group of remedies which we took today. First group was of love and warmth. Okay. Then the second group which seeks support, and the third group which was the fearful group. Our common group of remedies: Tram, Valeriana, CC, Fasco, Gelsemium. Hello. Yeah. So I think today we will just end this over here, and we will again take a second series in which we will discuss the remaining 15 remedies are still remaining. So we will discuss them in detail. And I think we should give our audience one day to just go through the whole, because it's almost a lengthy video, 1 hour. It's over 1 hour.
Yes, yes,
Let
yes,
people
yes.
see, let people comment, let people ask their doubts. So I think we can go live again on Wednesday for the second part.
Yes, I think Wednesday 10 p.m.
Wednesday 10 p.m. Yeah, okay. We'll do it on Wednesday 10 p.m. Again, we'll be coming live on Insta, and we'll be sharing the next group of, again, with उसमें बहुत new remedies है, बहुत interesting remedies है. You shouldn't miss this next session also. So please attend and please like, and please give us these doubts, whichever doubts you have, whatever you feel. So Pallavi, it was a nice session. I like this
Yes,
Insta thing.
yes,
Insta बहुत
yes, yes,
smooth
it
है,
is.
very nice.
Yeah. So I hope you all have also enjoyed with us.
Yeah. And thank you everyone for patiently listening to us. It's for over 1 hour. I hope there is some learning in this. And do tell us your comments. Let us know. Okay. So signing off for today. Bye.
Yes. Bye. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Bye. Bye. Bye
Bye.
everyone. Yeah, thanks. Nice session. Everyone is liking it. Okay. We are glad you liked it. Bye.